Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about ServiceNow AI agents. We will cover what they are, the different types and how they are used in everyday business tasks. So let's get started. ServiceNow AI agents are the smart tools that uses artificial intelligence to automate tasks and help businesses to handle work more efficiently. They act like virtual assistants that can handle simple tasks so human can focus on important work. There are two main types of ServiceNow AI agents. First one is virtual agents. These chatbots used to communicate with users, answer their questions, and resolve their basic issues. The second one is predictive intelligence agents. This uses AI to analyze data, predict outcomes, and offer helpful suggestions. In customer support, they provide 24/7 assistance by answering users' queries. In HR service, they help employees with the tasks like finding HR information or requesting leaves. In IT supports, they help in solving simple technical problems like resetting passwords. Predictive intelligence, it can predict issues before they occur and save our money and time. ServiceNow AI agents bring many benefits. They reduce the workload, help solve problems faster, improve customer and employee satisfaction, make businesses run more smoothly. ServiceNow AI agents are powerful tool for modern businesses. They save time, reduce cost and help business to work smarter. If you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.